the game Jose Amer and winning head coach Joe Michiko. Coach ended the 4-game losing streak. What went right for NLEX today and your assessment sa inyong battlefield so far?
Okay naman si DJ. You know, he gives us what we need. I think medyo wala pa siya sa game shape talaga, but you know, he did what he had to do in today's game. Alam naman nila na gaano ka-importante yung laro ngayon para sa amin, pero hindi pa naman kami automatic na papasok. Siyempre, depende rin sa Blackwater, pero you know, they realize the importance of this game.
Coach, let's talk about your next and last game in the elimination that's against Canada on Sunday. What are your preparations and adjustments in facing them?
Well, I don't think we have much adjustments to do for one-day preparation. I think we'll just carry over what we did today, you know, and hopefully that we come out with a win again on Sunday.
Thank you, Coach. Kasi ano pakiramdam in leading your team today, especially after ending that 4-game losing streak and ito, nakuha mo yung best player of the game?
Yun nga, sabi ni Coach is kailangan lang may ibang player na mag-step up aside from ball and important. So, yun yung mindset namin yung off the bench. Tapos, 4 streak talo kami. So, ito yung chance namin na kailangan namin makuha ng panalo. So, yun nga, yung pride and yung character namin lumabas nito.
Sir, you really made your presence known, lalo na sa first 3 quarters ng game. Gano'n kalaki yung responsibility na ito sa'yo in assisting your team and leading your team, lalo na meron kayong high-scoring players such as Walling at yung
Siguro yung mindset ko lang kanina is mag-guide yung teammates ko, tapos naging aggressive lang ako.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, with this win, you're closing on the quarterfinals berth, puts pressure on Blackwater. Anong pakiramdam nyo lang na despite yung struggles nyo, you have control of the quarterfinal chase?
Oo. Yeah, tama ka, it puts pressure on Blackwater, but alam naman natin that Blackwater is capable, di ba? Ganda naman yung lineup nila, maganda yung team nila. So capable sila of winning 2 games. Hindi naman namin na pwedeng ma-discount yung fact that they are still they have a shot at getting to the quarterfinals if they win both games. So kami, nanalo kami, we did our job today, and then we'll try to do our job also on Sunday.
Coach, medyo mainit yung laro kanina, dalawang times na nagkaroon ng
Kasi ano naman yun, kaya nga pag ganito yung laro, syempre gagawa ng paraan yung player, di ba? Kasi alam nilang gaano ka-importante yung laro. So, emotions will be high, intensity, mataas. Syempre, alam natin yung import, yung kalaban, magaling. So, syempre, didepensahan namin ng, kakayanan namin magdepensahan yung import kasi yun ang buhay nila. So, medyo nagkainitan lang, pero, part of the game.
Sir, yun nga, sabi mo kanina, lowering na 4-game losing streak kayo and you're coming off the bench. Gaano ba pataas yung sense of urgency mo to deliver considering na sa quarterfinals? Para tumaas yung chance na ninyo na sa quarterfinals itong game na ito?
Actually, mas sinimplihan ng mga coaches yung rule sa defense. Tapos yung offense namin, just share the ball side to side. And fortunately, forward pass po namin. Yung titignan lang namin dito is yung 1 game at a time lang kami. May game ulit kami sa Sunday. So, sobrang importante po talaga itong panalo.
Coach, nasa naman, kumusta si JB galing from Aeronautical Phoenix?
Steady lang naman siya. Steady. So unti-unti, steady siya, si Sai steady, yung mga yung bagong dating, very steady naman sila. So it just deepened the bench. Yun lang. Medyo nadagdagan lang yung bench natin. So yun lang. So di naman sila aagaw bola kay Berto or sa import, pero very good complementary players sila.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to them.
Thank you.
Ito, iba kaya.